In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Jujutsu Chronicles on PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to join the experience and play Jujutsu Chronicles on your PlayStation 4. You will be able to join just like you would on PC or mobile, and you will be able to sign into your account, see your progress, and play the experience as usual. Now, all that you have to do is open Roblox on your PlayStation 4 and look for the experience. You will be able to find it under Jujutsu Chronicles, made by the developers Jujutsu Chronicles with the verified icon, and you can confirm that it is the official one because it has more than 20 million visits. Now, I just want to make it very clear. You can clearly notice that I am recording this process on my PC. I apologize, I don't have the means to record a PlayStation 4 screen at the moment, but the process is going to be the same. You just find the experience and choose the option to join. Alternatively, you can also join a private server, which is what I'm gonna do here because it is best for me to record this video, and once you join a public or private server, you will load in immediately. Now, something I need to make very clear is that if you are playing with a controller, even though you will be able to do most basic commands like walking around, moving the camera, zooming in and out, and so on, a lot of the commands like using your skills, modifying your stats, and so on are going to be difficult or impossible to access. So this is a limitation of the game. Unless the developers tackle this in the future, it is going to remain extremely difficult to use most actions inside of the game. You can still join and play Jujutsu Chronicles like I said, but keep in mind that using skills and doing a lot of other actions will be a difficult process. Regardless, if you just wanted to walk around for a little bit, see your progress, upgrade your stats, train a bit, you will be able to do that. You just have to find Jujutsu Chronicles and join it just like you would with any other experience. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Jujutsu Chronicles on PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.